Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and enjoy the content. So today we are going to be doing, drumroll, the BoxyCharm box. So this is the regular base box. It is now the 20th of July, which is super late to be getting this box. But I guess, you know, with what's going on in the world right now, maybe that's why it's late. I don't know, but we're filming. So this is the $25 a month box, and I will have another one because I did order another box, another base box, and another premium box under my mother's name. So just so you know, I will be having 2 unboxings of the base box and 2 of the premium box. I did get an email today that my premium is on the way. I didn't check the other account though. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. I have seen plenty of spoilers, but I don't know what's in my box. It's kind of hard not to watch the spoilers anymore because they're everywhere. But anyway, let's go ahead. I'm excited. Hopefully, I hope before I open this, I hope that Pure Palette is in here. Please be in here, Pure Palette. Please, please, please. All right. So when we open it up, that is what it looks like. And the theme is sunshine. I think that is so stinking cute. And my variation is 33. So let's get into it. All right, I'm seeing something that I don't really need. Stay tuned for the end of the video because there's something special at the end. All right, so let's start off with the first thing I'm seeing. And I'm actually really excited for this because I've been into eye masks like crazy. So this is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks, 12 pairs in here. Suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes, perk them up as if you had an 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful, valued at $21. So I haven't seen very many people get these, so I am excited to have this in my box. Normally, my BoxyCharm, I'm always grateful for it. So, all right, next item is a color switch. I have so many of these things. And this is from Lavish, which we did get their brush sets, and I love those. This is Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. I use these all the time. I recommend them. If you guys don't have them, you can also use the foam in the BoxyCharm box. Is that in here? Yeah, there is still foam in there. It's just not covering it. You can use that to wipe off your brushes as well. But remember, you do need to clean your brushes every once in a while. And I'm not good at that. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be preaching to you because I don't do it as often as I should myself. All right, so it says, with this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable, valued at $17. Now you can get these at Marshall's and TJ Maxx for like $5 to $6, but I'm not mad about it being in this box. All right, moving on to the next product. I'm excited about this. And it is the Everyday Vacay Ciate London Spray. I was hoping that I would get this. All right. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultrafine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add delicate glow all over skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. Valued at $22. I am excited for this. I have way too many setting sprays. Why can't I get into it? Okay, let's see how she smells. Oh, she's pretty. So that's what it looks like. And let's see what the mist is first. All right, I'm glad I sprayed that first because Oh, it does have that coconut smell. Oh, it smells so good. Love it. Yay, I'm so happy. All right, moving on to our next item. You guys, I'm going through this pretty quickly, but it's because I have a surprise. Next item is the item I picked, and this is the 111 Skin NACY2 Pollution Defense Booster. Okay, so we are at the front here. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants, valued at $135. This is an expensive brand, and we have seen through subscription boxes a couple of these products. I actually have one right behind me that I use a lot, and I think I got that in my Ipsy, or pretty sure I got it. But I mean, I do love the brand, so I'm excited to have that. This is why I picked it. Comes in a little dropper, and then she's kind of thick. You see that? Kind of thick. All right, let's see how it rubs in. I don't smell anything, so that's good. So if you have sensitive skin, you should be able to handle this, but that's not always the case. But there's no scent in it, and it rubbed right in. So I'm excited. I want to do a little research to see if you can use this under your makeup. I think you can, but I'm not 100% sure. All right, last item in my box. I am excited, so you know what it is. I got the Pure palette. Yes, I loved the other one that we had got for last year, the festival palette, and I still use it. Look at how pretty that is. And then here's the back, and it is the Pure Festival 2.0. Let me read a little bit about it before I open it up. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigments palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades valued at $36. I'm excited. I'm so happy. I wanted this. I'm so happy. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. All right, you open it up. It does have a mirror. It's not a full-size mirror, but you do have a mirror. And it's not going all the way back. Why are you not going all the way back? All right, so there are our shades. I'm so excited, you guys. So we're gonna swatch just a couple of them. Actually, let's swatch them all. Let's go for it. So if it's anything like the last palette, I'm gonna be so happy. There are no pressed glitters in here though. But here we go. Let's do it. Okay. I'm excited. Are you guys excited for this palette? Did you want this palette? Let me know down in the comments below. Oh, this shade right here. Turn it up. Yes. That is so pretty. There. Oh, look at it. Look at that. It kind of looks like a duochrome. Oh, yes. And I'm not pressing hard at all. Look at those shades, you guys. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. One more row. Yay. Look at that purple. Whoa, that's pretty. Look at the shades. So pretty, you guys. Whoa, I'm excited. What do you guys think? Did you like my box? I loved it, knocked it out of the park. I am so excited to have this and the rest of the products. So, recapping, we have the Pure palette, which I really wanted. We have the 111. We have the Everyday Vacay setting spray. We have the eye masks, and we have a color switch. Plus, I have another one coming. So, my little surprise is we're getting so close to my 1,000 subscriber mark, but I am like getting so anxious. I want to do a giveaway. So surprise, surprise, you guys. We've got a giveaway here. So let's go through a couple rules, which is it must be in the U.S. You must have a U.S. address. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission. You have to go like on Instagram, which is Mandy Miller Beauty. I'm trying to get my following up over there. I'll have all this down below in the description box as well. And you must be subscribed to my channel and like the video as well. And for the, because I'll use a comment picker. So down below, comment, I don't know, comment a purple heart emoji like I always do. And what your favorite thing in the giveaway was. All right, so those are the rules. They will be linked down below, and we will end it on the 1st. So I will pick a winner on the 1st. All right, so let's get into it. So we have this summer mini travel essentials that I picked up from Ulta, and it's got a brow gel, a setting spray, a primer, and a lip plumper in it. Super excited for this. Okay, let me get this out of the way. We have a couple masks in here. So I have a panda mask. I have a honey mask. I have a little tiger mask. I have Cubella double mask and a Feel Brilliant charcoal. And we have a do-it-yourself regular face mask for the times. So you can either leave it plain white or you can put whatever you want on there. We have an It Cosmetics brush. I love these brushes. Speaking of brushes, look what I got today. I got my blinged brushes. I'm so happy to have them. They will be on display. All right, we have a Pixie cleanser, which is the Rose Cream Cleanser. There's that. There's a couple Pixie items in here. We have a Pixie T-Zone Peel Off Mask, a Pixie H2O Skin Drink, and a Pixie Glow Tonic. Plus, we have two little eyeshadows that are still in their packages, but they are Mineral Bronze, it looks like, and Naturally Nude. So these two here, a Laneige Little Water Bank Moisture Cream, deluxe size, some Alamar brushes, some Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and then we have a couple palettes. So we have the Pure palette, which is kind of cool that that's in here. Midnight Masquerade, which is right there. And then from my Ipsy box that I was deciding whether or not I wanted to keep it, I want to give it away to you guys. So this is kind of what sparked this giveaway, so that I could, you know, do something pretty quickly here because it's taken forever to get to our 1,000 mark. So I wanted to give this away to you guys, and along with the Seraphine Luna liner right here, that is a liquid black eyeliner, I believe. Pretty sure it's a black eyeliner. Yeah. So there are those two products. So rules will be down in the description, like I said, and I can't wait to see the winner and send it out to you guys. Oh yeah, and I'm going to include the color switch. So that's going in there. All right. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, if you want to enter the giveaway, the rules, let me know if you like the BoxyCharm box. And also, the comment picker, you can comment as many times as you like. So just go ahead and comment whatever you like. Just make sure that in every comment, you at least have that purple heart emoji. That way, it's like the giveaway enter kind of thing. And let me know what you guys got in your BoxyCharm. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting me. I cannot wait to do this 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We're getting so close. But like I said, I got anxious, so we did this one now. But thank you again. I can't wait to see the winner. Good luck, everybody. And like I said, everything will be down in the description box below. Thank you. Have a fantastic day, you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.